Welcome to our Magento 2 tutorials. Today we will learn how to create a shipment using Magento API. First, we have to generate an admin access token. Enter the admin username and password. In previous video, after create the invoice we should be able to retrieve the order item ID, which will be used to create a shipment. Create a new post request with this endpoint, in which 19 is the order ID I have created in the previous video. Copy and paste the token in authorization section as bearer token. In the body section, enter the order item ID with this quantity. You can find this sample code in the description. The tracks array optionally allows you to include one or more tracking numbers for the shipment. After complete, log into your admin account and check the shipment. As you can see, the shipment is successfully created. Hexa. Connecting applications, automating processes,